Hi you guys, welcome to MyCuriousCrafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're participating in an open collaboration hosted by two wonderful ladies, Marilyn at Fabulous Designs on a Budget and Kimberly at Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Let's get started. Okay, I wanted to share a super simple little DIY with you guys today. Grab a bowl, grab a candle holder, grab some ornaments, add some ornaments to your bowl, add some lights or a candle to your candle holder, and voila, you have a wonderful little festive DIY to place anywhere in your home. Now let's go in and see what I actually did on the bar cart. We have a couple of glasses there, and what we'll do is we'll add some candy as we get closer to the holidays and people start to come over and visit. And we also add different syrups in the bottles over to the right. Door hanger here we made on Bow Wednesday, and that bow is a part of it. So if you're interested in making bows or learning how to make bows, join us every Wednesday here on the channel for Bow Wednesday. We'd love to have you. Okay, you guys, I need your help. I'm having a god-awful time deciding on my color scheme for Christmas this year. I'm so deeply in love with the buffalo check, but I'm also a traditional Christmas color girl. The reds and greens, they really make my day. What's your color scheme this year? Okay, you guys, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and visiting with me today. I really appreciate your time. Please do me a favor and go by and visit all of the ladies participating in this collaboration. I'm sure they have loads of goodies to share with you today.